Hello everyone, this is Hitechtalk. So currently most of the users are facing this type of glitch. Here you can see whenever they are scrolling reels in Instagram. So after seeing a few videos they are getting this type of error message. So what is this? So people are worried. So this is normally a Instagram glitch. Many of them they are facing after a new update. So you don't have to worry. Just keep checking for a new update, and you can see whenever you have a new update available, you can update that, and this will help you to fix it. And even for now, what you can do, you can report a problem. You can go to report section and you can take a screenshot and post it there. So if we will do a bulk report, then this will help us to get it fixed as soon as possible. So I hope you will find this video useful, and also let me know if you are facing this kind of problem in Instagram or not. Thank you.